This video is dedicated to Mac Lamps. He was the one who truly made me realize the beauty of low-pressure sodium lamps and the fixtures they run in. So please, go check out his channel. Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you this very nice Pacific Lighting and Standard 90 watt low-pressure sodium fully cut off street light. Now, I got the street light off of eBay. There was a guy that was selling these. I don't know if there still is. He had to get rid of them. But I bought one, and here it is. And like he was selling them for, I got for $10, but shipping was like $100 and something. So I ended up paying a lot more for it. And yeah, so shipping is always the killer. But let's get to it. Inside the ballast compartment, if we remove these very basic hinges, very basic latches. That's the trend with this fixture. Everything's very basic, like the bare necessities. You open this door where the label would have been, but I have a picture. I'll display the picture of the label on screen right now, and it was in awful shape, but luckily another member of the lighting community who also got one of these sent me a picture of the label on theirs so that I can reprint mine. But anyways, here on the inside we have this Advance. What's the model number? It's a model number 71A0550 HX auto transformer for 190 watt L72 low pressure sodium lamp. Yep. Even low pressure sodium lamps have designations. This ballast is very rusty, and I really do need to restore this thing fully. Need to clean this off. I did hose it down, but let's look at the pole mount. And it's very basic pole mount. Just has some bolts right here, which are very rusty. But you put your pole in here, looks like except it's a 2-inch pole. You put it in, you tighten these down, which they are completely seized, so you need to use some penetrating oil on that. And there's the photocell socket, and right now on it I have a Fisher-Pierce 6660. The label literally just fell off, and it's in the box right here. Here's the label. Fisher-Pierce 6660, made in 690. But let's put this photocell back on, if I can manage to do it. Dude, this is always a pain. There we go. But now let's move on to the lamp. Another very basic, same latches, and this is just the glass. Yes, I need to put more caulk in here. I'm going to get around to it. The seal is kind of messed up as well. But here is the lamp. It is a very basic lamp. It's not like it's not a Philips one. It is hang on, can I see it? Can you see it? It just literally just says, I'm sorry, you can't see that. It literally just says SOX lamp. And then, yeah, this is a modern Chinese-made one. Yes, they still make low-pressure sodium lamps. Yes, you can still get them. I think they're on eBay right now, and they're about what you'd pay for one before they were discontinued. So, like, they're still not cheap. They're still very expensive. But yeah, the reflector is also, it's like Spartan. It's like, it reflects like this way, and also kind of this way. No faceting on this. If this looks like another fixture, like this is like a clone of a Spaulding lighting Palomar. I think, and this is what they were sold as. But it's actually a Pacific Lighting and Standard, and Visionaire also made. Even Westinghouse made one of these. This basic design of fixture, lots of manufacturers made them, so yeah. But they all seem to be. It's a basic design, but it works. Here's the socket. It's a Kolka BY22D socket, but enough yapping. Let's close this and let's power it on. So I'll cut to that. Okay, so here we are. I have quite a jerry-rigged recording setup. Okay, here we are. I'm about to turn it on. I have these other lights on because I need them because it is just too dark without them. So I'm going to turn. Let me fix the focus on. I'm going to turn this off, and we will see a cold startup. There we go. Ballast has a nice hum to it too. Seems to have settled up now. Okay, now I'll do a time lapse of it warming up. Okay, we're most of the way to full brightness now, and as you'd expect from a low pressure sodium lamp, there is almost no color at all. Like, look, yeah, maybe this isn't gonna work. So look, here's this lamp packaging, and let's get something. How about something more colorful? This circuit board, which is supposed to be green, it's just like yellow now. And what other colorful stuff do we have in here? This fan motor, which is meant to be, it's like the windings are like red, and it's just black now because that is how low pressure sodium works. Lights up the room pretty well, and the lumen output is striking for just 90 watts. So because yeah, low pressure sodium is one of the most efficient light sources available, and LEDs have only been able to beat it in efficiency fairly recently because of like just the nature of it, how efficient it is, and also the fact that human eyes are somewhat more sensitive to this wavelength of light than other wavelengths of light. It only emits one wavelength of light, which is like 589 nanometers, and because of that, it makes it really good for use in dark sky areas, because it is very easy to, the 589 nanometers is very easy to filter out. And this, you can tell this fixture was designed for dark sky zones because it is full cut off. So yeah, beyond that, there's no light trespass like over here. You can only see it because it's reflecting. But yeah, so well, let's see if we can, let's hear the ballast. Let's get this open, and the ballast is kind of noisy. It's not nearly as noisy as I thought it would be. Yeah. It's probably because of this loose sheet of iron, but yeah. So yeah, that is the Pacific Lighting and Standard 90 watt low pressure sodium, or SOX, street light. Thanks for watching. You can see some drops of sodium there, and yep. I hope this lamp will last me a good long time, because it wasn't cheap.